Today we are going to find the equation of a line, and we have our coordinates there 3, 1, 6, 4. Just to start, in order to find equation of a line, we must find the gradient. So let me just put on top of the coordinates we have xy, xy, that is x1, y1, then x2, y2. x2, y2. So to find gradient is represented as m is equal to change in y divided by change in x. So change in y is basically y2 minus y1, then divide by change in x, x2 minus x1. So we are going to have y2 is 4 minus y1. y1 is 1. Then divide by x2 is 6 minus x1 is 3. So we are going to have 4 minus 1 is 3. Divide by 6 minus 3 is 3. When we simplify this, we'll get 1. That means 1 is our gradient. The second concept, I want us to find equation of a line. Now let's find equation. We want to find it in the standard way. So I'm going to pick any coordinate, either the first or the second. Let's pick the first. We have 3 and 1. This represents x, then y. Then we have our gradient, which is m. So our m is 1. We are going to write this in the form y is equals to mx, y is equal to mx plus c. This is the standard equation of a line. So y, our y is 1. So 1 is equals to m. M is 1. We multiply by x. X is 3. Then plus c. That will be 1 is equals to 3 times 1 is 3. Then plus c. So our c will be 1 minus 3. That means c is equal to 1 minus 3 is negative 2. That is our c. So to find the equation, we are going to write it in the standard way, but keeping y and x constant. So this is what I mean. Y is equals to mx plus c, but y and x will just be constant. We replace only m and c. So our equation will be y is equals to m. Our m was 1, then x, then plus c. But c is negative 2. So plus negative 2. That means y is equals to 1 times x is just x. Then plus minus is minus 2. This will be our equation for the line. The third concept, I want us to find the x-intercept and the y-intercept. The x-intercept and the y-intercept. So x-intercept. I'm going to explain briefly what x-intercept is. This is the point at which the line cuts the x-axis. This is what I mean. When we have our Cartesian plane with that is y axis and x axis, the point at which the line cuts the x-axis, that is the x-intercept. And usually at x-axis y is 0. You can see at our x-axis, y has just cut the line at exactly 0. So we write the important point here. At x-axis, y is a 0. Let's find the other very important point, the y-intercept. That is the point at which the line cuts the y-axis. This is the y-axis. This is the y-axis. So the line, the x-intercept cut it at exactly 0, just like the first. So we write at y-axis or intercept, x is a 0. These are the 2 points, the 2 concepts which will help us to calculate the equation. Now let's find from the equation, find the x-intercept. We are still going to use the equation of the line that we had found earlier. Let's go back to it. Our equation of the line was this: y is equals to x minus 2. Y is equals to x minus 2. We will use that. Y is equals to x minus 2. This was our equation. So, from what we have seen above, at x-intercept, y is a 0. So we replace where we have y, we put 0 there. We will have 0 is equals to x minus 2. So let's find the x coordinates. If we make it the subject, x will be 0 plus 2. If we rearrange, we take a negative to the other side. So x is going to be 0 plus 2 is 2. Then after this, we write the coordinates now, the exact coordinate in form of xy. The coordinate will be x is 2, then y was 0. This is now the answer, the x-intercept. Then lastly, let us find the y-intercept. Let us find the y-intercept. The y-intercept. This is the point at which the line cuts the y-axis. And from what we have seen above, at y-intercept, x is a 0. We will still use the equation of the line that we had earlier, the main equation of the line. Y is equals to x minus 2. Y is equals to x minus 2. That was our main equation at first. Now, we replace where we have x, we will put 0. That will be y is equals to x is 0, then minus 2. That means y will just be 0 minus 2 is negative 2. So we write it in the coordinate form, x, y. What is x? X was 0, so 0. What about y? We have found y as negative 2. Now this will be the y-intercept. Bye.